so I'm here and I want to take a few minutes and tell you guys all about this vacuum sweeper that I just got in, okay? So you can see it's by INSE, and the nice thing I like with it is it's very easy to put together, which you guys will see. You can adjust it, and then also it has 3 different attachments on here that you're going to be able to use for everything that you need to clean, from your house to also your car. Overall, this vacuum sweeper worked really well. I like the fact that you're going to have 3 different attachments, so that way, whether you are working in your house, on the car, anywhere, you're going to be able to make it perfect for you. So thank you guys so much for watching the review.